Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your one and only Chef Jerry, and today we are going to make fried rice. Before I start making my fried rice, I want to thank you guys for the love you have shown to me, for liking my previous video, and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And for those of you that are new, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I promise not to disappoint you guys. Thank you. To start by boiling my chicken stock. I love putting curry powder, thyme, seasoning cube, onions and salt to taste. I am going to start by boiling my rice before adding my chicken stock into the rice. After adding my chicken stock into my rice, I let it to boil and dry for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Now my rice is 100% cooked. So I'm going to put my vegetable oil inside my pot and allow it to heat for about 30 seconds. Then I add my diced carrots, green bell pepper and green beans and cover the pot to cook for about 30 seconds. I'm now going to add my cooked rice into the pot. It already looks yummy. I love curry powder because it makes my rice to have the rich yellow fried rice look. Here we go. Our fried rice is ready. You can serve with plantain or any accompaniment of your choice. Yummy!